This is a 100 lumen motion sensing LED light powered by 6 volts or 4 1.5 C cells. This is good for closets that don't have power or a light, a small closet, maybe a pantry where you can easily install this and you don't need to put any wires or power to it. And the way to test it, you got to be in darkness. So you cover it up and there it's on. And now we'll go outside and install it into the outdoor shed. So here's our shed outside. We're gonna go in, find a good spot for it. That looks about right. So we'll take the back plate off. Line it up. And use the screws that it came with. See if I can puncture it. So what I've been using is the tip of the screw to make the hole. So you get it aligned where you want it now and put this in here with the screwdriver if you want. And as it's aligned with the screwdriver, I just pop it and that makes a little bit of penetration and starts the screw out. Okay, so once we got it securely in place, we can see there's an arrow, also there's an arrow, so see it says top. We put it here, and that's it.
I'm here going to try out my shed light, see if it works in the dark. Yay! Now I can see everything.